That's Paddy there. What are you doing, Paddy? Are you working hard, laddie?
No, we're not, Paddy. We're stuck everything down again, Paddy. I'm so pleased with that.
I've done it all now then.
It's not well.
What do you think about this site, my friend?
I think I go bankrupt for being a fuck that, laddie.
I like your attitude, laddie. You will go far. What are you doing there? Building that wall. What's that?
I'm building it so it can come down again.
Are you going to level that wall, laddie?
No.
Good lad. I like that. I like to hear that. You're going bankrupt, laddie, within the week.